Today I'll ask you about the game using 10 questions and answers. Diablo IV from Blizzard Entertainment. Let's go. 1. Question: what's the Sorcerer's ultimate ability? Here's the answer: Deep Freeze. 2. Question: what's the Rogue's ultimate ability? Here's the answer: Shadow Clone. 3. Question: what's the Necromancer's ultimate ability? Here's the answer: Army of the Dead. 4. Question: what's the Barbarian's ultimate ability? Here's the answer: Call of the Ancients. 5. Question: what's the Druid's ultimate ability? Here's the answer: Werewolf-Druide. 6. Question: what's the Sorcerer's best move? Here's the answer: Inferno. 7. Question: what's the Rogue's best move? Here's the answer: Death Trap. 8. Question: what's the Barbarian's best move? Here's the answer: Blood Wave. 9. Question: what's the Barbarian's best move? Here's the answer: Iron Maelstrom. 10. Question: what's the Druid's best move? Here's the answer: Werewolf-Druide. I hope you enjoyed the questions and answers. Please write me your opinion in the comments. I would be very happy for a thumbs up and a subscription. See you soon on this channel.